Hello, I'm Dan from Sussex and you've joined me to sow some lavender seeds. So I'm at my potting deck and I've sieved some seed compost and I've made it really nice and wet, so much so that if I give it a really good squeeze the water just drips out. I then have added some vermiculite, which is like a type of volcanic rock, and what it does really well is it holds moisture in it like a sponge. It does help the structure as well, and it's a great additive to potting mix. And the reason I'm using it is for two reasons. One, I'm very low on seed compost, and the other is that I want to sort of maintain a level of moisture in the soil and humidity where I've sown these seeds. So I've got a tray here, and there's one problem with this tray: there's no holes in the bottom. So I need to put some holes in the bottom of this tray for the water to soak up from the bottom, but also to allow excess water to go through. And so I just take a power drill and put 4 holes in the bottom of each one. I just use a piece of scrap wood underneath, and you should be able to see there 4 holes in each. So I filled my seed tray right to the top, like you can see here, and then I've got a piece of timber that I disinfected when I was cleaning some old pots, and I just compressed down each module, and you can see the level drops by about 3 centimeters, which is why I've got my dibber in there so you can judge that. And what I want to do is I want to sow the lavender seed 1/2 centimetre-ish from the surface. Now you'll see my seed tray is full pretty much to the top. What I did was just kept adding compost to the top and pressing it down till I got about that 1/2 centimetre from these top ridges here. Now I'm just going to sow the seed. I have my seed here. This variety's Lavender Munstead. And if you can see the seed there, it's quite small, but not impossibly small to separate out. So I'm going to put about 3 seeds in each module. Munstead is one of my favourite English lavenders. It gets to about 45 centimetres tall. It's quite narrow and has grey-green foliage. The spikes are small but highly fragrant, and the blue-purple flowers are a delight in mid to late summer. And in Blue Peter fashion, here's one I filled earlier for the Lavender Elegance Snow. The seed is pretty much identical to the Munstead that I've sown, and again 3 seeds in each. Again, another English lavender here, Elegance Snow. It's rather unique in the fact that if you sow the seed early in the year, you'll get a flowering from that seed in the first year. Most other lavenders don't do this. Also, this has improved growth and performance over traditional varieties like Munstead. So with the Munstead, I've top dressed with our vermiculite and seed compost mix, and then just firmed down. So the seeds are about 1/2 centimetre below this top compost line. That's the Munstead. Pop that out of the way. I'm going to just stick that in a seed tray to soak up water. Now I need this for the next task, which is a dust mask. Because I don't want to breathe in what I'm going to put on the top of this one instead of the seed compost. And this is our friend the Vermiculite again. Just giving this a good spray with water. Now I just use my block again. Lovely. And now I put this in the tray to soak again for about 20 minutes. The reason why I've put vermiculite on the top here is one is that I just want to give it a test, this method to test. I have used something a similar method commercially, but I wanted to try it at home. I've never used this on top dress method instead of seed compost before. The idea is the light and the warmth gets through to the seed quite quickly, but it still gives something in there to hold it together, and the seedling can still draw through from the compost. So here they both are. Got my Munstead there that was top dressed with the seed compost with the vermiculite mixed in, and my Elegance Snow that was just top dressed with the vermiculite. And now all I'll do to water is I use a small can. So that's all done now this week. Next week I'll sow the remaining seed that I had left over, and I should see the seed I've sown this week start to emerge in about 3 to 4 weeks time as a seedling. I'll then transplant the seedlings on in about sort of 6 weeks time. Be sure to subscribe to receive more videos on how to plant on and care for your lavender.